Hello friends, welcome to my new video on energy star rating. Whenever we are going to purchase an electrical appliance for our home, we always come across some terms like 3 star, 5 star, energy star, BEE, BE star label, BE star rating, energy conservation methods, etc. And we are always confused about what these things are. So do you actually know what this BEE star rating mean and who decides this rating of these products? Let's dive into the details and figure out everything you need to know about this energy rating. So by the end of this video, you will be able to answer all these questions. Who puts this BEE star rating labels? How it is calculated? Should we just buy the highest star appliance in each category? And why don't all categories of appliances have BEE ratings? So basically BEE stands for Bureau of Energy Efficiency. The government of India set up Bureau of Energy Efficiency on March 1st, 2002 under the provision of Electrical Energy Conservation Act 2001, and the mission of the Bureau of Energy Efficiency is to assist in developing policies and strategies with a thrust on self-regulation and market principles within the overall framework of Energy Conservation Act, with the primary objective of reducing energy intensity of the Indian economy. So this is the basic logo that you will find on almost all energy rated equipments, which is that of the Bureau of Energy Efficiency. And the standard and labeling program is one of the major thrust areas of BE. A key objective of this scheme is to provide the consumer an informed choice about the energy saving and thereby cost saving potential of the relevant market product. The scheme targets to display energy performance labels on high energy and equipment and appliances and lays down minimum energy performance standards. And the energy labeling provides the consumers with the information on the energy efficiency of a product. And the energy labeling is one of the most cost effective policy tools for improving energy efficiency and lowering energy cost of appliances or equipments for the consumers. And the program has been developed in collaboration with consensus driven approaches with active participation from almost all stakeholders. Now let us look what these standards and labels are. So the standards, they prescribe the limits on energy consumption or minimum levels of the energy efficiency of the manufactured products. And standards commonly encompass two possible meanings. That is, it's a well defined set of test protocols to obtain sufficiently accurate estimate and target limits on energy performance. Now, what is a label? Describes the energy performance in the form of energy use, efficiency, or energy cost. And the labels mainly gives the consumers the necessary information to make the informed purchase, which is the most important thing when you are purchasing. And these labels, they are of two types. First is a comparative label, which allows the consumers to compare the energy consumption of similar products and factors lifetime running cost into their purchasing decision. And then there are the endorsement labels, which provide a certification to inform the prospective purchasers that the product is highly energy efficient for its category. And the energy labels can be used standalone or complement energy standards. In addition to giving information that allows the consumers who cares to select efficient models, labels also provide common energy efficiency benchmark that can work in association with other policy measures such as measurement programs, financial incentives, etc. And the effectiveness of the label is heavily dependent on how they are presenting information to the consumer and on how they are supported by information campaigns, financial incentives, and other related programs. The SNL in India works on a model in which the permittee provides information related to energy efficiency on the product on the label as prescribed in the respective product regulation, statutory order and or schedule issued by the Bureau of Energy Efficiency from time to time. A star rating ranging from 1 to 5 in the ascending order of energy efficiency is provided to products registered with the Bureau. An endorsement label is also provided in some products. For the labeling program, the Bureau works through technical committees of experts and stakeholders comprising of representatives from the industry associations, consumer organizations, academia, on government organizations like NGOs and the research and development institutions, testing laboratories, government organizations, regulatory bodies, and etc. So this energy rating is that carefully done. And the star based energy rating and its purpose. The star labeling is an energy efficient rating scheme for electrical equipments, and the BEE sets the standard and labels for marking the star rating of various appliances, and it grades the home appliances in terms of energy efficiency on a scale of 1 star to 5 star, and the 1 star being the least energy efficient and 5 star obviously being the most energy efficient. The label provides a basic sense of how energy efficient each product is just at a single glance. And this system standardizes the energy efficiency ratings of different electrical appliances under a standard set of test conditions. And what is the purpose of BEE star rating? The prime purpose of BEE star rating is to educate and inform the consumers about the energy efficiency of the product that they are going to buy. Usually the consumer can find a BEE star label on heavy electrical home appliances like air conditioners, refrigerators, washing machines, etc. With a number of stars, it has got an estimated power consumption of the appliance in a year that is expected to consume, which I will be explaining in later in detail. This also makes the manufacturer responsible for creating energy efficient products, as a consumer may eventually prefer better rated products. So that is a main advantage. And what are the uses of star based energy rating system? The consumers can get an idea on the energy performance of a particular home appliance easily and urges the consumer to make informed decisions rather than blind guesses. And higher cost saving potential in terms of electricity bills is also there, and the minimal energy utilization for an overall better quality improvement, which was the main agenda of setting up this energy rating or star rating system. Now, how is BE star rating decided? The BE star rating product is decided based on factors more than one. Usually there is preconceived myth that the star ratings are generally based upon the appliance's power consumption. However, this is not true, and BE sets all the standards and norms which are needed to be followed while rating an appliance, and the manufacturer labels the product accordingly. Or to be precise, the manufacturers officially are required to put the labels as per the standards and labeling program introduced in 2006. The BE star rating program is updated every year as the technology improves more and more. Energy efficient appliances are introduced into the market and the labels are adjusted accordingly. For example, Ministry of Power announced that more electrical appliances, microwave ovens and washing machines will now be assigned star rating based on their energy efficiency matrices. And the program of star rating of microwave ovens and washing machines will be implemented voluntarily and will be valid up to December 31st, 2020. And the rules and standards for each and every category is different, and the year of manufacturing has a considerable impact on the star rating. And the appliances with the lowest energy consumption in a product category are given the most stars, and those with the highest energy consumption are given the least star. And the star rating is mandatory only for heavy appliances, and these rules and standards for every product category may be different. And here I have shown a list of equipments where the first category is the mandatory appliances. These are always required to produce a star rating system, and the other set is voluntary where you need not have the star rating, but if we are providing star rating, it is a better quality equipment. So the room air conditioners, frost free refrigerators, tubular fluorescent lamps, distribution transformers, color TV, electric geyser, LED lamps, etc. come under mandatory, and voluntary devices include induction motors, pump sets, ceiling fans, LPG stoves, and some more are there. So these are the list of devices which are coming under the labeling. And then there are two variants of these labels, a big one and a smaller version. So the big version means this type of labeling, and the smaller one means this type of labeling where the information is less. So the big energy rating label is aimed at appliances which have constant usage and consume more electricity. And these labels show additional information such as the yearly energy consumption like shown here, and the brand name, product category, and much more. And the consumers, this big label is helpful as it allows you to calculate the actual money you would spend in electricity bills for that particular product. Products with the big labels are air conditioners, geysers, and washing machines. Here I have shown that of an air conditioner. So here additional informations like label period, appliance type, brand, model year, cooling capacity, etc. are there, and many more are there. So this is an example for a fan where only the star rating is given or the 5-star is shown. Now B star rating in air conditioners. I will just discuss about the B star rating in air conditioner. Air conditioners are one of the fast selling home appliances currently in the Indian market. Earlier, the star rating of air conditioner was based on EER, okay, which is the energy efficiency ratio, but has since changed to basis of ISEER, that is Indian Seasonal Energy Efficiency Ratio, which you can see in this label. The energy efficiency ratio or EER is defined as the ratio of the amount of heat removed by the AC per hour to the power consumed by the AC in an hour. However, in India, the temperature drastically varies with the season, and the BE revised the calculation of star-based energy scale to be based on ISEER, which is shown in the diagram. ISEER is defined as the ratio of the amount of heat that is removed by the AC per year to the power consumed by the AC in that particular year. More the ISEER, higher is the number of star ratings in better energy efficiency. And the ISEER ratio and its respective star ratings are different for different appliances. And here I have shown it for window ACs. The rate is given 2.5 to 2.69 means 1 star, and finally for the 5-star it is greater than 3.3, and this is for split and inverter type ACs. So nowadays we are having inverter type ACs which is better and more efficient when compared to the normal ACs. Also refrigerators are also there. So rather than just simply considering a star rating, you have to also consider the inverter type also. These days inverter types are more efficient when compared to normal ACs with 5-star. So you can always go for inverter ACs if you prefer more savings in energy. And more details about the star rating will be given in the following video, in which I will be also discussing something about the television star rating, refrigerator rating, and just by selecting higher star rating device you are going for higher energy efficiency. And why don't we have all appliances under this star rating category? So please stay tuned and watch the next video.